welcome to the house we are. We are going to have ourselves a 5-pack opening. There are 2 cars especially I want in this 5-pack. So let's open up Hot Wheels Design Lab and look what's inside. And they're out of the bag. Let's take a look. That is a fantasy car. Transparent green. Cool glow-in-the-dark wheels, I believe. Yep. They glow. It's called the Forward Force. And there's the next one. And that's the cool one. A fantasy van. Big engine in the middle. Large back tires. Look at that. Alright. Next up is the Amazoom. Another fancy car. In white this time. Like the blue in the rims, blue interior, blue tint in the windows. It's cool. Alright, and one of the reasons to open this bag, look at that. A red Volkswagen Beetle. That is beautiful. Cool graphics on the side. White in the rims. Excellent. And number 5 and last. Look at that. Custom 77 Dodge van. In black. With a lot of graphics, engineering department, Hot Wheels. Some copper in the rims. Some orange interior. Beautiful. So that's our 5-pack car opening from Hot Wheels Design Lab. Please put a thumbs up if you liked the video, hit the notification bell to get a warning each time I release new content. And I see you later.